It's raining, it's pouring, unboxings are boring, but we're gonna do one anyway. Hey, how's it going? I'm Josh from 91 Tech, and I just got the new iPhone 12 right here. And I'm outside and it's raining a lot. So this is being filmed on the 11 Pro. Keep track of that with the selfie camera. I'm gonna film the outro with this phone, and there's noise, but ignore that because let's just go unbox this thing. So first things first though, this box is tiny compared to what we're used to. So that's interesting, but if we go ahead and open it. Of course, the reason it's tiny is because of the lack of charger. But there's plastic and there's the box. It's a nice box, I guess. Prefer it if it had a charger inside, but I don't really need one, so it's fine. But if we go ahead and open up the box, there's the iPhone in all of its very blue glory. This is really nice. I really like this. I've seen some people say they don't like the blue. Those people are mentally insane. It is clearly gorgeous, and yeah, look at this thing. So I just pull this, and oh man, look at the sides. That is iPhone 5 vibes right there. That is really nice, actually. Oh man, I might have to get the 11 Pro after all. I didn't get the 11 Pro, by the way. I thought about it, I decided against it, but dang, this is really nice. It's also extremely light compared to my 11 Pro Max. If we go ahead and pull the not really plastic off, there it is, and I'll go ahead and boot it up here, assuming it has some charge. And I can see right away it does have that OLED panel, which is a big addition. So I'll put that aside here. So again, no charging brick, but we do have a lightning cord, and then very small paperwork. SIM tool, just a couple little things, and a single Apple sticker. Are you kidding me? A single Apple sticker? Oh man, they've really cut down costs this year. But yeah, there's the iPhone. If we go ahead and I'll set it up really quickly here. So it's activating right now. Clearly there isn't a whole lot you get with this phone compared to what we've seen in the past. Apple says it's for the environment, but I mean, we all know it's to just make it cheaper for them. I really love the blue, but it is a fingerprint magnet, as you can already tell. Like, it's crazy. Okay, so there it is. It looks so good. I do love how square it is. Obviously, we're not getting a ton compared to last year, but the new design is really nice. And yeah, I'm really looking forward to reviewing this thing, so make sure you guys watch out for that. So that's it for now, nothing too crazy. This is being filmed on the iPhone 12 right now. It's still raining, but I think we're gonna call it here. Thank you for watching. I'm Josh from 91 Tech, and I will see you all next time.